Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can harness the power of AI to make a Kahoot in less than a couple of minutes. So hopefully this will save you lots of time and really help build on that summative feedback nice and easily. Now, before I start, it is worth bearing in mind that with any resource, it is only as good as the teacher developing it. Whether you've got something from Twinkle, TES, a purchased resource, or you're using AI to help generate something, always check it through. Never just use the raw resource. It is only as good as your teaching is. So, with that said, let's go on to how we can make a Kahoot really, really quickly. You're going to need three things to do this. One, a free Kahoot account. Two, to be signed up to a chat AI bot. Here I'm using Chat GPT, but you could use Google Bard or any of the others that are available. And you need the Kahoot CSV file. So here, all I've done is Google Kahoot CSV. And if you follow the link through, you can download the CSV template there. And then we can see it's downloaded. So we can open that up. And then because you'll be working from Google, make sure that you first of all convert that into a Google Sheets. That will just take a couple of seconds to do. So I've now got my CSV file open. What we can now do is populate this. Now you could populate this with any questions as you have here. Question, all your answers, the time each question is going to take, and then the correct answer. However, what we're going to do is we're going to use ChatGPT to help generate those questions and answers really quickly. So over into our AI bot, and I'm going to use this prompt. Create a table for an online quiz for everything children should know before the end of Key Stage 3 OCR photography using the following question text. Answer 1, comma, answer 2, comma, answer 3, comma, answer 4, comma, time, comma, correct answer shown as 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now all we need to do is press search. If we wanted to, we could change that to Key Stage 2, and we could say where we said OCR photography to Vikings, for example. We hit send message, and this will bring us up our table in the exact format that we need. Now, all we need to do is copy this over and paste it directly into our table. Going back into the table, starting from the first answer, and then pasting that in. And as we can see, we have this whole table filled in automatically. Always check through the answers, make sure that the answers are correct and the questions that you are happy with. Then once you've done this, all you need to do is File, download as a Microsoft Excel document, because Kahoot won't recognize the Google version. Now we go back into our Kahoot, create a new Kahoot on a blank canvas. We go to add question, import spreadsheet, and then just drag and drop the spreadsheet you've done. Click upload, and that will upload those questions. 10 questions have been imported. Add the questions. And here we can see that we have our fully working Kahoot with our time limits and with our questions and answers ready to go. From here, you can spend a bit more time adding some images in if you want to, but you have your Kahoot done. Once you get used to that, it just takes literally less than 2 minutes to create a Kahoot from scratch. Remember, if you are using a chat AI and you're new to it, you can refine this prompt down as much as you like to get better responses. So instead of just having Key Stage 2 and the Vikings, you could say, give me an outline for quiz, everything a child should know by the end of Unit 2 of the NCFE ITQ qualification, and then you'll get it for that. Remember, always check your answers to make sure they're right. Don't just assume that the chat bot and the computer have got it correct. That's everything. I'm going to try and leave the text that I used as a prompt in the YouTube comments for the video, so you can just copy and paste those out. I hope that's useful for you, and keep checking back for more videos.